Meanwhile, the big headline from Bihar at this hour, huge protests by BPSC aspirant, essentially the Bihar PSC examination, which is now at the center of a big controversy in Bihar. These are visuals from Patna, pretty dramatic visuals there. All these aspirants protesting and demanding the government to hold a re-examination for the Bihar PSC. This, of course, is claims of paper leak have now surfaced, but the government has ruled out a statewide re-examination, citing lack of evidence for such claims. Pretty dramatic there, the students demanding a re-examination. Remember, this has been a huge point of contention. We saw similar protests, of course, in Uttar Pradesh as well when it came to the PSC examination, though that was with regards to the shifts in which the examination was being held. But remember, the PSC examination, an extremely critical examination. This is the State Civil Services examination, and you have lakhs of aspirants who appear for it, and this is the prelims examination that is now at the center of this controversy. Look at the kind of crowds that have emerged there, who have taken on the streets, all these students demanding a re-examination. Huge police bandobast there as well, the state ruling out a re-examination. My colleague Prabhakar in fact sent us this report from Patna.
We are at Patna's JP roundabout, just outside Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and the BPSC protest in Patna is actually growing big and big. It's growing bigger, it's growing uglier, and it's actually taking an ugly turn. Students today, since morning, they were there at Patna's Gandhi Maidan holding a student Sansad, a student parliament, and now they are holding a protest march. These students are marching towards Chief Minister's house. The police tried to stop them, but they have just broken the barricade, you can see, and these students are now marching ahead, protesting, holding a protest march and marching towards the Chief Minister residence. The administration has not given them this permission. This entire gathering of students at Patna's Gandhi Maidan has been termed illegal by the administration, but despite that, they were here in large number, and you can see on your screen how they have breached the police barricade and they are marching towards Chief Minister's house. The administration has deputed large number of forces here. There are 2-3 layers of barricade which the administration has actually put on the ground to stop these students from marching towards the Chief Minister's residence. But these students have breached one of them, and now they are marching towards another barricade which has been laid around 100 meters from here, and the situation is indeed taking an uglier turn. From Patna, this is Prabhakar Kumar for NDTV.